In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project progress in CostMiner, a construction estimating and takeoff software. This tool is incredibly useful for managing your projects efficiently and ensuring everything stays on track. So let's dive right into it. Start by heading over to the CostMiner website. This is your one-stop platform for all things related to construction project management, from estimates to tracking ongoing projects. Once you've reached the home page, locate and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can input your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the project you wish to track by clicking on it. This will activate a three-line icon, sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu, where a range of options is available. Clicking this icon allows you to navigate into the specifics of your selected project. Next, you'll want to click on Details in the menu. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all the elements related to your project. Here you'll find everything from budgetary constraints to the timeline of the project. Following this, locate and click on Status. This is a critical step as it allows you to manage and monitor the current standing of your project. Within the Status section, you have the choice to categorize your project as either planned, in progress, or completed. This categorization is crucial for keeping everyone involved informed about where the project currently stands. It's important to select the appropriate category to avoid any delays or misunderstandings among your team. After categorizing the status, you'll proceed to select the start date for that particular phase of your project. This feature is designed to help maintain an organized schedule by marking when each phase of the project begins. In parallel, there's also an option to select an end date. Setting both the start and end dates helps you visualize the timeline and prioritize tasks that require immediate attention. Once you've made these selections, it's time to click on the Save button. This action updates your project's records, ensuring that your changes are registered within the system. Now let's explore what happens in the status column. By clicking the status dropdown, you can easily switch between different stages of the project. If you decide to start the project immediately, click on Start. This will shift the project's visibility to the In Progress category. All projects that you have marked as ongoing will appear under the In Progress tab. Once a project reaches completion, return to the status dropdown, select Complete, and your project will automatically transition to the Completed tab. And there you have it. Now you know how to effectively track project progress using CostMiner. With these steps, you'll be able to keep everything organized and ensure timely completion of your projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy project managing.